A car burglar shatters a Tesla Cybertruck window, peels down the glass, and climbs into the truck to steal a bag. The owner said that there was no alarm, no notifications on the phone, literally nothing happened. The truck recorded the incident on the sentry mode, but the owner really was not able to do anything as it was too late. A red sedan can be seen pulling up next to a parked Cybertruck. The burglar immediately puts his glass-breaking tool over the windows and shatters the driver's side glass. Here, the assailant can be seen grabbing hold of the shattered glass from the top and peeling down the glass to leave the window completely open. After pulling down the windows, the burglar climbs into the Cybertruck. At one point, half of his body is inside the Cybertruck, and his feet are dangling high off the ground. After struggling to reach an object on the passenger side, the burglar emerges with a large backpack, returns to the red sedan, and drives off.